This is how you put your clutch case, especially the little rod thing, to the little hole over here. I see online people just say good luck, or they take really long or have hard time on this. He's showing you a way to do it. So a lot of people do the string, like hold out string holding up here and tie it. I think the best way, I use it like a wire, have rubber, so you can squish in the middle to get that line. So when you mash it up, you just pull it out. It holds it in place for you. So I think this is really a good way. So I'm gonna show you. Just stuff it just tight so it don't come loose. So this thing goes up. So you want to pull it, make sure it's on a good position. So you want to put this in, down first, right side. There you go. So you're gonna pull that, hold it there. Don't pull all the way. Make sure you line it up. If you like, it's in the middle. When you feel it, you twist this. See, it works. They have retention. Just trying to hold it. So you're gonna check this, make sure it is correct length. We didn't get it last time. I feel like it is the correct length. Okay, so what you do, just pull this out. Done.